Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. So glad that you're here with me today. In today's video, I will be doing a flip through of the Dot Marker Savings Challenge workbook, which was created around utilizing a dot marker to track your savings. And it first starts off with your savings goals and your trackers. And you can set your goal and list some action steps. You have several pages of this. And then we're going to go ahead and start off where you can track your monthly saving milestones on the calendar. Then you will have your monthly savings tracker. You can track with the jar by month. Then you will have by percentage with the jar. Then lastly, by the dollar amount. Okay, so now we will start with the cash stuffing logs. And as you complete your various saving challenges within this workbook, you can jot down the challenge and also the page number of the challenge. Now, each savings challenge within this workbook does have an affirmation. If you purchase any of my saving challenges book or planners in the past, you know I always have affirmations. So I have one monthly challenge in here, and then the rest just have different diagrams, and it will tell you how many dots are in each challenge and the amount. And as you cash stuff that amount, you will use a dot marker to dab it. There's no coloring in. Just take that marker and dab it. And I have done a cash stuffing video, and I will make sure to have that link so you can see how it works. And with this book, you do have over 50 saving challenges, and you will be able to save more than $5,000. And you can work it at your own pace. It's low budget friendly. And then I did end up including, when I get towards the end of the saving challenges, I do have some blank dot marker saving challenges where you can set your own goal and set the amounts in the designated circles. I have been wanting to do this for a while. If you've been following me, you know I absolutely love dot markers. Now, I haven't used this type of dot marker for this savings challenges with what I currently do with my savings, but I have been doing dot art activities. Now, if you heard of dot art activities, now they have this, I've been doing it with my granddaughter, but also when I thought about it, it just reminded me of playing bingo. And what, just not playing bingo, but also watching my mother as a kid. Cause I remember going with her and my aunts to the bingo parlor when I was younger. And it just brought back some memories of my mom. And then plus, I thought this would be a great way for me to save towards some of my personal goals, and hope that you find this helpful in helping you to achieve your savings and your financial goals this year. And so here is, after this page, here is the blank where you can set your own personal goal and add your amounts in the different circles. And I did include a few of those. Now, this is the book, but I do have a printable version of this as well. So in the printable version, you'll probably see one of the blank, because you can definitely print off additional if you desire. And then I do have the sinking funds tracker as well, and you can label it based on your particular sinking funds to track your savings. And then the note section in the book. And that's basically it. And I want to thank you so much for joining me in today's flip through. Toodles!